Welcome to Aztec Washer Company. If you're experiencing problems with leaks, pipes, conduits, cables, and wires that penetrate your metal, residential roofing, or siding, we have your solution. Master Flash, an answer that ensures you no more leaks, with a minimum of a 20-year warranty. Universal Retrofit Master Flash, round base. This installation guide will cover the Universal Retrofit Master Flash, designed to seal existing pipes that requires a wraparound existing installation. The Universal Retrofit Master Flash is available in 3 sizes made of EPDM rubber and available in high-temp silicone, covering from 7/8 inches to 10-inch pipes. The one-piece flashing allows for a 5 easy step installation and usually takes 5 minutes to install. Universal Retrofit Master Flash. Materials needed: measuring tape, marker, scissors or snips, drill, pliers, snaps or rivets, master seal bonded washers, fasteners, and sealant. Step 1. Measure the pipe diameter and cut the flashing 5% smaller than the pipe. Pipe diameters can be seen clearly for proper fitting. Step 2. Wrap the flashing around the pipe and form to the roof surface. Crimp gripper with pliers. Step 3. Form the flashing into corrugations and outline the base with a marker. Step 4. Apply sealant inside the marked roof surface. Step 5. Complete the installation with master seal bonded washers and fasteners. Fasteners should be 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart around the entire base for a tight, secure seal. Review the installation and apply extra sealant if necessary. Problem solved. Seal it right, seal it tight. Please visit us at www.aztecwasher.com or contact your sales representative at 1-800-927-4375 or info@aztecwasher.com for other quality Master Flash product. Visit the Pitch Data Calculator app at rpc.aztecwasher.com.